Wait. Stop right there. Are you about to buy a projector? Don't do it yet. Trust me, you're about to make some big mistakes that will make you want to scream, "Why?" But don't worry, I've got your back with all the nitty-gritty technical stuff too. Let's go. Throw distance. No, it's not how far you can yeet the projector. It's how far the projector needs to be from the screen to give you the image size you want. Here's the thing. Every projector has a throw ratio, something like 1.5 to 1. This means for every foot of image width, the projector must be 1.5 feet away. So if you want a 100-inch screen, which is about 8.3 feet wide, you need to place the projector 12.5 feet away. And here's the kicker. If you have a small room, you need a short throw or ultra short throw projector. These can give you that same big screen from just a couple of feet away. Always check the throw ratio before you buy. Next up, lighting. If your room is lit like a concert, even the best projectors will look like a sad PowerPoint presentation. You need to check the brightness, measured in lumens. For dark rooms, 1500 to 2000 lumens is fine. For rooms with ambient light, you need at least 3000 lumens or higher. Pro tip, check the ANSI lumens rating. Some manufacturers just list inflated numbers, but ANSI lumens are the real deal. Oh, and don't forget, light reflects differently off a screen. Matte white screens work best for dark rooms, but for bright rooms, go for ALR, ambient light rejecting screens. Thank me later. Resolution time. Don't get scammed by those so-called HD projectors. There's native resolution and supported resolution. Native is what the projector actually displays, and supported is just marketing fluff. Look for at least 1080p, 1920 by 1080 pixels. If you're watching on a big screen, 4K, 3840 by 2160 pixels is a game changer. And here's something technical. Check the pixel structure. Cheap projectors often use square pixels, which can look jagged. DLP projectors, on the other hand, use a smoother structure called mirrors to make the image crisp. Here's the thing. Connectivity matters. Most modern projectors have HDMI ports, but do they have HDMI 2.0 or 2.1? You need these for 4K at 60 Hz or 120 Hz. If it's just HDMI 1.4, forget smooth gaming or high-quality videos. Want to go wireless? Look for projectors with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Some even support screen mirroring via AirPlay or Chromecast. But beware, cheap projectors often have laggy wireless connections. For gaming, look for a projector with a low input lag of under 20 milliseconds.